Hi friends, I am Udayasagar Kandpal and I am here with yet another lecture on Java using Netbeans IDE. In the previous lectures we studied about string manipulation. Now we know about how to replace a string, how to get the word count, how to check whether it's an anagram, or how to reverse a string. Now today, and also within that, we got to know about some functions of string like the trim function, the contains function, the replace all function, and the split function. Today I am going to tell you about how to create a find and replace feature that in Java that is present in many word editors like Notepad, WordPad, etc. etc. So I would start with the basic find and replace function. So for that I need to create a class in Java, but this time I would create a JFrame form. But before that, to all my new viewers, I would like to ask them to subscribe to my channel and to like my video on YouTube and to comment and share, and also press the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you. Let's begin. So let's create find and replace in Netbeans IDE using Java. In fact, in Java using Netbeans IDE, whatever you feel comfortable with. So the first thing is a label for finding. I can copy this label and place it below with the name place. So I would like to create a text field that would be used to find a particular string, and I would be requiring a text field again. So I copy it and make it a replace field. So I now require a text area from where the text would be found out and replaced. So I would like to place a find button here and a replace button here. So here I would like replace, here I would write find. So I can resize it accordingly. So the first thing is I need to find a text from this text area. So let's go on to the button, click here. It has already created a function for us for that button, action performed. So J string find from text is equals to J text area 1 dot get text, and string find, in fact to find text equals to J text field 1 dot get text. So I have already created the variables required, so I need to find from this text the text name to find text. So how to do that? We will use the find function in fact I'll find the index of function 2. So find from text dot index of, and we will use this function. So the index of string, the string is to find text and the index is starting from 0. Initially we will find the first text, So we'll find the index of this text and the length of this text would be to find text dot length. Now before doing anything further, we must change the default text of this string. So let's write apple is a fruit, mango is a fruit, banana is a fruit, papaya is a fruit, and brinjal is a vegetable. Move it to the next line. And coriander is a fruit. So we have some default text in here. Let's make the text as non-editable, so we cannot edit the text right now. So if we run the code, we'll find that we cannot do anything with the text. So now we need to highlight all the text that is found by us. So let's add some code here. So I have created a highlighter using the jTextArea1 and removed all the previous highlights and added a new highlighter from the index of here to index of plus length, that means to the length of the string. Since right now I am finding the index of from the first location, we will find only one or the first occurrence. So let's try it out now. We need to find fruit. So will we be able to find a fruit? So yes, we are able to find fruit, but we are only able to find one of the fruit, that is the first one. But if we want to find out the next fruit by pressing the find button, we can do that, but for that we need to fix this length. So we need to create a global variable int current position equals to 0, and we need to set it to current position here, and we need to set if current position dot, in fact we can find it, if find from text dot contains or index of to find text, and here we write the current position equals to -1, then current position equals to 0. So it would reset the counter of current position to 0 if we do not find any further text. But here we need to place a check. In fact, we do not need to place any check right now. First let's take a look how it works. So right now I have to find fruit. I press find I got this highlighted. Again I press fruit, so I am not having the reference of the next. So there must be something that needs to be done. We need to update the current position in here. So the current position becomes index of plus length, and if current position greater than equals to, find from text dot length current position equals to 0. So we have now placed appropriate checks. Let's run. Fruit, find, I have highlighted this fruit. Next, 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 I return to the first position. So our find function is complete. Now we need to replace the replace the string in the current position. So to get that, we need to add the code in the replace button by double clicking this function, and we have generated a action performed button for the text. Now let's copy some of the code from here. So find from text dot replace Now the inbuilt replace function, we can see, will replace all the occurrences. So we need this function which is replace first. Replace first will replace the first occurrence of the string. So replace first to find text with, we need to create string with replace text equals to j text area 2 dot o, or j text field 2 dot get text. So with replace text. Now this will so we need to set here j text area 1 dot set text, right? Since we have replaced, we need to refresh the current position to 0 so that it would find again. Now let's see what happens. We have written apple or fruit. We found fruit. We now want to replace it with vegetable. So now we have replaced apple is a fruit with apple is a vegetable. Now if we find fruit, it will find fruit at this location. So we have replaced the first occurrence with this. If we want to replace the second occurrence, we can replace it. Now next time it would replace the third occurrence. Next time it would replace the fourth occurrence. Next time it would replace the fifth occurrence. And this way it has replaced all the occurrences. So now if I want to turn back vegetable to fruit, I can replace fruit one by one, but I might require to replace them all at once. So for that, I just need to create a button here with the name replace all, and I just need to copy this code, and with the replace first function we will now use the replace all function or the replace function here. So let's now run the code. So now I want to replace fruit with vegetable. So I press the replace all button. All the fruit, all the vegetable, all the fruits are now converted to vegetable. Apple is a vegetable, mango is a vegetable, banana is a vegetable, papaya is a vegetable, brinjal is a vegetable, coriander is a vegetable. So we require a find all function also, so that we highlight the find again. So we just copy this function and what do? We go to this function find, copy all the code from the find function to the find all function or the button. We just need to paste it here, and now we just need to place a loop over here while, and we just need to copy this not equals to -1. So what we have done, we have found the text into the string until we have no further text, find text in the find from text. So we can just copy these lines over here to make it look cool. Now let's run this code. So we need to find fruit. Let's click on find all. So what happened exactly? This is not able to find because we have the h.removal highlights inbuilt into the while loop. So just we need to cut this from inside the while loop. We need to place it here before the first loop, and we just need place this line over here. Now there's the run button, shift F6, and now find out fruit and place on find all. So all the fruit features are being found. Now if I press on replace all, so all the texts are being replaced. So this way we can create our own inbuilt find and replace feature in the text in Java using string manipulation functions. So I just need to show you the code again so that you can jot it down or practice it on your own. So this is the find feature. The find feature using JText area and highlighter. Find from text, to find text, the index of, the length, the highlighter, the remove all highlights and add highlight, and the current position, get and the reset the current position if you do not find. So this is the first function. The second function find all. Find all feature just replaces, or in fact finds all the features. So it will find all the features using while loop. It replaces one of the things from the find, that is it will now add into a while loop the highlights. The replace function, this is the replace function, using the replace first in build function of Java. You can find about it in the Java doc. And this is the replace all function using the replace all in Java. So thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.